Hello guys, welcome back to this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can easily change the background of your photos or videos only by using CapCut on mobile. So here, I'll walk you through this feature. It's pretty new in CapCut. So you can just add a photo or video to CapCut timeline like this. Then just click on it and swipe through the options until you find the change background options. So click on that options, and in here you can just describe your new background. So it will be using an AI background. So if, for example, I'm going to just write for example a concert stage, let's say. And now you can just select the aspect ratio. I'm going to just go with fit, and after that you can just hit on generate. So CapCut will do its magic. You can just wait until CapCut generating your new background. So let's just wait it out. So it will be done in seconds, so you just need to wait and the result will out. So here CapCut will give you four options. You can just choose which one that you like. For example, I'm going to just go with this one right here with warm color, and here you can just tap on a check icon. Now just like that, the background has been changed. So that's pretty much all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like this video, so don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.